Hi, I'm Kaden Chua, Marketing Director of Excel Hardware. Excel Hardware is a premium furniture hardware manufacturer and distributor for residential renovation projects. We are a homegrown Singapore brand that prides ourselves in delivering top-notch quality products fit for all discerning renovations demands regionally. One of the products we currently have is the premium collection, space-saving solutions. The European market may also be facing problems that our local market is facing, which is why in our premium collection we offer multiple solutions that are highly customizable to streamline the management of kitchen items. Our kitchenware baskets are made from stainless steel grade 304, and our baskets are designed to offer abundant space, such as our Benny or Unico 3-sided stainless steel basket. And our multi-purpose slimline slabs pull-out baskets are versatile pieces that are elegant yet functional. Our Azzurra Italian series of soft-closing lift baskets allow for easy access to storage items without the need to scale heights. We also offer premium-grade anti-rust, anti-corrosion, stainless steel grade 304 soft-closing cabinet hinges with a lifetime warranty to ensure quality satisfaction to all our clientele. We have also recently started on doing Facebook live streams to reach out to more buyers online who are unable to come down to our physical showroom. Secondly, our Excel booking appointment one-to-one session Zoom was launched. We created an online form on our website that allows us to introduce our product and offer a personalized kitchen and wardrobe space planning, as well as a DIY installation online guide, so that buyers may assemble and know more about our products from the comfort of their own homes. Our steps towards digitalization have not only helped our regional buyers during this pandemic, but also to the European market, as it helps to bridge the physical gap between us. We will also be embarking on various e-marketplaces for the Euro market like Amazon and eBay. We are excited to reach out to the European market through Creativ-Space, and we look forward to serving more international clienteles like you.